नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे ट्यूशन से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे निफ्टी स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स ओपनिंग बेल सेंसेक्स अप टू choppy start Nifty below 25,600 Asian Pen Bajaj Finance top laggard Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities closed lower on Mondays as the Sensex and Nifty retreat and renewed global trade war, rhetoric and the disappointed earnings from heavyweight companies. The BSE Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equities closed lower on Monday as the Sensex and Nifty आप लोगों ने देखा जो the BSE Sensex fell as much at 629 points during intraday trade, touching a low of the 82,941.01, while the NSE Nifty 50 slid 0.7% to an intraday low of 25,504.85. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. The Indian market closed lower on Monday, with the Sensex and Nifty retreating as global trade war rhetoric Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live update. Sensex fall over 100 PTS और आप लोगों ने देखा ये Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Opening bell Sensex up to choppy start Nifty below 25,600 Asian Pen Bajaj Finance top laggard. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live update. Sensex fall marginally in pre-opening session. Nifty below 25,600. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Ludha developer science move which go for 1 lakh crore investment in data centers. Sensex to the Nifty 50 stock market live updates. LT Mintry shares and forecasts Q3 profit falls 11%. What should investors do? LTI Mintry's reported on 11% year-on-year net profit decline in Q3, largely due to a one-time raise 590 crore cents from new labor codes. Including this, the adjusted profit rose 29%. YoY revenue increasing 12% YoY to reach 10,781 crore, with management highlighting a strong performance driven by AI strategy and deal